Welcome to my WebQuest, where we will discuss the analysis of content and Bloom's taxonomy. In this WebQuest we will discuss the elements that should be included when writing objectives, how do objectives apply to an instructional design project, and the importance of task sequence and how this relates to the ADDIE model. We will also identify why an instructional designer would use Bloom's taxonomy in an instructional design project. Objective elements that should be included when writing good objectives would be: first, a condition that will define the conditions under which the student will perform the described behavior. The second element would be a description of a specific, observable behavior. And the third element would be the degree that indicates the desired level or acceptable performance. I have provided an example from my work with the Army. In instructional design, the terms goals and objectives are sometimes used interchangeably, however they are quite different. Learning goals are broad and sometimes difficult to directly measure, yet a learning objective is a statement in specific and measurable terms that describes what the student will know or be able to do as a result of engaging in a learning activity. Learning objectives will facilitate overall course development by encouraging goal-directed planning. They will also inform students of the standards and expectations of the course, along with providing information for the development of assessments by identifying the types of evidence that students need to produce to demonstrate understanding. Many would argue that task analysis is one of the cornerstones of instructional design. Task analysis and sequence is very important and directly related to ADDIE and any instructional design project based on the ADDIE model. During the analysis stage, a tasking analysis must be done before developing the actual tasks. A critical task should be mapped to the terminal goal or objective, and non-critical tasks should be mapped to the enabling objectives or goals during a flow diagram or analysis of content. Bloom's taxonomy was specifically designed to help instructional designers to clearly define learning objectives that will allow them to create content that meets students' needs. Bloom's cognitive domain is divided into the 6 categories seen here, each associated with a set of verbs or cognitive processes that define what a student should be capable of. These processes directly map to the analysis phase of the ADDIE model. I hope you enjoyed my WebQuest on the analysis of content and Bloom's taxonomy. Thank you.